Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix any lag or stuttering issues that you may be encountering inside of OBS Studio when you are either recording or streaming. It's a nice and straightforward fix, and for the best results I would recommend following each of these steps until the very end. So the first thing you need to do is launch OBS Studio, as you can see, then go to the file and go to the settings and then go to the output here, and here under the streaming section, and make sure to change the output mode to advanced, not a simple. After selecting this, under the video encoder, make sure to select NVIDIA if you have a decent graphic card. Otherwise, you can try changing this to X264 to run encoding through your CPU instead. Next, under encoder settings, make sure rate control is set to be CBR. And for the bitrate, you have to check your internet connection. For this, go to Google Chrome and type speed test, and here open the speed test and check your speed here. Click on go. As you can see, this is the result and my upload Mbps is 18.50. So no for this. If you have more than 8 Mbps upload, set your bitrate between 2500 to 3500 for smooth 1080p stream. So here just select 3500 and here type 2 keyframe instead of 0. For the preset option, leave it as this, slow, good quality, but if lag persists, change it to a better minimum. After that, go to recording and here type standard, and in this section make sure to select recording format as from MKP to MP4, because MP4 gives smaller file size and is universally supported across platforms. For video encoder, again use NVIDIA. If NVIDIA is not available, then use X264. And video encoder, after that, audio encoder should be this. And scroll down, encoder settings, select rate control as CBR, and here 15,000. Select bitrate as 15,000 and keyframes should be 2. Now go to the video tab, and here make sure to select the resolution of your own computers, as mine is selected as 1920 and 1080. And the downscale filter should be bicubic, and the common FPS value should be 60. And after that, under the advanced section, go to this and change from normal to above normal and click on apply and click on save changes. That's lastly, open the video settings, go to the settings, go to the system, go to the scroll down and go to graphics, and here browse an app, and into this go to local list C, go to program files and look at the OBS folder. As you can see, OBS Studio here, just double click on it, click on bin and click on 64-bit and go to this file and click on add. And after that, go to options and select as high performance and click on save. By following these steps, you should see a noticeable reduction in lag or stuttering inside OBS Studio. If this helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.